Dogecoin, yes, the one that's been flying under many radars, just nudged up nearly 8% in the last 24 hours, trading near $0.005 now. It's a modest move compared to the usual extreme swings we see in the meme coin world, but for a coin at this price level, even small pumps can feel meaningful if the tokenomics and sentiment align right. What's interesting about Dogs today is that this 8% uptick comes at a time when the broader meme coin cycle seems to be stirring again. As larger meme coins gain traction, investors often rotate into lower cap tokens with big upside potential, and Dogs looks like it's starting to attract that kind of attention. The chart has been relatively quiet for a while, but this bump suggests a subtle shift. Maybe traders are quietly accumulating, maybe sentiment is returning, or maybe a spark is waiting behind the scenes. For future price predictions, there's a wide range of scenarios depending on how things unfold. In a conservative case, if interest stays steady, volume picks up slightly, and the overall crypto market remains stable, Dogs could aim for $0.008 to $0.0010 in the medium term. That wouldn't be a moonshot, but it would represent a 60% to 100% return from current levels, which is significant for a low-cap token with high volatility. If conditions improve and meme coin hype truly returns, meaning big liquidity flows back into smaller caps, whales start accumulating again, and community engagement ramps up, then a more aggressive target becomes plausible. In that bullish scenario, you might see Dogs move into the $0.00015 to $0.0020 range. That level would require sustained buying pressure, improved token sentiment, and likely some catalyst, like listing news, promos from influencers, or broader market euphoria around meme coins. Of course, the wildcard in all this is risk. At this price bracket, volatility can go both ways extremely fast. A single negative news item, a whale dumping, or just a broader market dip could send Dogs sliding back to support levels, or worse. For that reason, predicting a strong rally should be balanced with caution and the understanding that low-cap meme coins are among the most unpredictable assets in crypto. If I were to draw a path for Dogs over the next few months, I'd watch for a few key triggers: sustained volume growth, social media buzz, and any visible sign that whales or small holders are accumulating rather than selling. If these conditions align and the wider market shifts bullish, then a climb to $0.0010 is feasible. But if hype returns in full swing, the range could push toward $0.0020. On the flip side, if sentiment fades, it could just as easily trade flat or dip back below $0.003. The downside is real.